Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Arifullah, a lecturer of Department of Postgraduate, Islamic State University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi, Indonesia. I am presenting on behalf of our research team. I am going to present about our research, which is supposed to be presented at Asian Education Symposium 2020, but because of corona pandemic that it is presented virtually. The title of our research is Transmodernity Paradigm Reconstruction Trade Islamic Education.
Transmodernity Paradigm Reconstruction Treats Islamic Education. The background and purpose of the research. Science requires openness to multidimensional approaches, including normative approaches that acknowledge unobservable metaphysical truth. The more open a science is, the more universal it would be. In this context, transmodernity could then be promoted into an alternative approach, considering that this tradition of thought was critical of the modern Western tradition of science, and the tradition of Islamic science adapts to local traditions, so that it was a thought rooted in the Islamic scientific tradition, had a modern perspective, and respects to local traditions. This article aimed to show the differences and uniqueness of scientific paradigms in Islamic and Western education system, which are usually confronted head-on in a conflict dimension. The writers try to provide a scientific paradigm that influenced tradition and education in the Islamic and Western world. Methodology. This research was a qualitative approach where the data collection technique was documentation. The data used and studied in this study comes from text, both in the form of manuscripts, books, magazines, journal, newspapers, etc., and digital text. Before the analysis, the data were validated using triangulation techniques. Finally, the analysis data in this research using content analysis techniques. However, the analysis activities in this study were carried out together with the data collection activities, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion of results research. The result and the discussion. Transmodernity was a complex approach. The frame of mind of transmodernism could be expressed as modernity that recognizes transcendence and postmodernism without chaos. It was the result of dialectics between traditionalism, modernism, and postmodernism, which at the same time try to build an epistemological system based on and beyond the three. In this context, the Islamic science paradigm based on the transmodernity point of view could be reconstructed through the three steps. They were first, reactualization of Sharia as the basis of the scientific paradigm. Second, introduction to the world as it is. And third, establishment of Islamic science. The formation of a paradigm of Islamic science in the context of Islamic science was important with several arguments. Namely, first, different civilization to have produced different sciences. Second, Islamic science had its uniqueness and characteristics which differ from Western science, which had proven to be a threat to humanity. Third, Western science wouldn't be able to meet the physical, cultural, spiritual needs of the Muslim community. Third, Western science would not be able to meet the physical, cultural, and spiritual needs of the Muslim community. Islamic science was an organized and systematic scientific framework for achieving knowledge based on experiments and universal experiences across cultures. It was built to meet the needs and answer contemporary problems faced by the Muslim and global community. The conclusion. Transmodernity needs to be seriously considered as an approach in the construction of the Islamic science paradigm amidst the weaknesses and the scientific paradigm today, because it can transcend modernity and postmodernity and respect the plurality of traditions at the same time. The final result of this reconstruction was expected to produce scientific products, which was said to be Islamic science, namely, science developed based on the worldview or universal Islamic values understood in its openness to modernity and culture. Islamic science, which accommodates the lights of truth contained in the scientific treasures of Islam, modern and locally, were also expected to be accepted globally and provide theoretical, practical, and ethical use values for the advancement of human civilization. Thank you.